Did you know that small businesses play a critical role in keeping our economy strong? When people think about economic growth, they often think about large corporations. But the reality is that small businesses create jobs, drive innovation, and strengthen local communities every day. Every time a small business opens its doors, it creates opportunities. It may hire employees, purchase products and services from other local businesses, and contribute to the tax base that supports community resources. Small businesses also help build wealth within communities. When consumers shop local, more money tends to stay within the local economy, creating a positive ripple effect. However, many entrepreneurs face challenges such as limited access to funding, marketing resources, and business education. That's why it's important to support small businesses through grants, financing opportunities, mentorship, and community engagement. Whether you're a business owner, community leader, or consumer, you have the power to make a difference. Supporting small businesses isn't just helping one company succeed, it's helping families, neighborhoods, and communities thrive. If you're a small business owner looking for resources, funding opportunities, or business growth strategies, I'd love to connect with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another entrepreneur who needs encouragement today.